The Mirage exercise bike is a top-notch choice for anyone looking to achieve their fitness goals from the comfort of home. Designed for both beginners and experienced riders, this stationary bike features a smooth and quiet brake pad resistance system, allowing for an intense yet low-noise workout perfect for apartments or shared spaces. With a 300 pounds weight capacity, it offers a sturdy and stable ride for users of various body types. One of the standout features is its tablet mount, which lets you stay entertained or follow workouts hands-free while cycling. Even better, the bike comes with access to the exclusive Mirage app, offering guided fitness courses and tracking tools to help you stay motivated and on track with your weight loss journey. Whether you're aiming to burn fat, build endurance, or just stay active, this bike is a reliable partner. Backhand index pointing right, ready to start your fitness journey. Click the link in the video description to grab your Mirage exercise bike now and take the first step toward a healthier you. The Hap Bear Folding Exercise Bike is an incredibly versatile and space-saving solution for anyone serious about improving their fitness at home. Designed with a 3-in-1 mode, this X-Bike easily transitions between upright, semi-recumbent, and recumbent positions, allowing users to customize their workout based on comfort and fitness level. Whether you're looking to burn calories, strengthen muscles, or improve cardiovascular health, this bike adapts to meet your goals. It features a magnetic resistance system with 8 adjustable levels, giving you the flexibility to increase intensity as your endurance improves. The addition of arm resistance bands makes this bike a full-body workout machine, allowing you to tone both your upper and lower body simultaneously. A standout feature of the Hap Bear bike is its LCD monitor, which tracks key workout metrics such as time, speed, distance, calories burned, and pulse. The built-in pulse sensors in the handlebars help monitor your heart rate in real time, keeping you within your target heart rate zone for efficient fat burning and cardiovascular improvement. Despite its powerful performance, this bike is incredibly compact and foldable, making it ideal for small apartments or rooms with limited space. After use, simply fold it up and tuck it away. No need to sacrifice your living space for your fitness routine. Whether you're a beginner just starting your fitness journey or someone looking to stay active without going to the gym, the Hap Bear Folding Exercise Bike delivers excellent value, convenience, and versatility. With the added benefit of quiet operation and user-friendly features, it's no surprise this bike is a favorite among home workout enthusiasts. Backhand index pointing right, ready to take control of your health from home. Click the link in the video description now to order your Hap Bear Folding Exercise Bike and experience a smarter, more convenient way to stay fit. The Pubo Exercise Bike is a powerful and reliable indoor cycling solution, perfect for anyone looking to enhance their cardio workouts from the comfort of home. Engineered for stability and performance, this stationary bike is available with a 300 pounds or 350 pounds weight capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of users. It features an adjustable resistance system. You can choose between magnetic resistance for smooth, silent rides or a brake pad resistance for more intense training, giving you full control over your workout intensity. Whether you're a beginner looking to stay active or a serious rider training for endurance, this bike adapts to your goals with ease. The silent belt drive system ensures a quiet ride, allowing you to work out without disturbing others around you, ideal for early morning or late night sessions. One of the standout features is the upgraded version seat, designed for extended comfort during longer rides. The seat is fully adjustable both vertically and horizontally, making it easy to find your perfect riding position and reducing strain on your back and joints. Combined with adjustable handlebars and cage-style pedals, the Pubo bike offers a personalized and secure workout experience. Perfect for indoor use, the bike also includes an easy-to-read monitor to track your time, speed, distance, and calories burned, helping you stay motivated and monitor progress toward your fitness goals. Its sturdy frame and user-friendly design make it a dependable addition to any home gym setup. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve heart health, or simply stay active during the day, this bike provides everything you need in a compact and efficient package. Backhand index pointing right, ready to transform your home workouts? Click the link in the video description now to order your Pubo exercise bike and bring the energy and benefits of the gym right into your living room. The Spirax exercise bike is a premium indoor fitness solution designed to bring comfort, performance, and convenience together in one sleek package. Built for home use, this stationary bike supports up to 300 pounds, making it a stable and reliable choice for users of different fitness levels. The bike features a magnetic resistance system, which ensures a smooth, quiet ride perfect for apartments, shared spaces, or early morning workouts. You can adjust the resistance level easily to increase the intensity as your endurance improves, helping you burn calories, boost heart health, and achieve your fitness goals right from home. One of the standout features of the Spirax bike is its comfortable seat cushion. Long rides become much more enjoyable with its ergonomic, padded design that supports your posture and reduces pressure, even during extended sessions. The fully adjustable seat ensures a customized fit, allowing you to maintain proper form while cycling. Combined with non-slip pedals and a stable frame, the Spirax bike delivers a safe and secure workout every time you hop on. To elevate your fitness experience even further, this bike connects with an exclusive fitness app, giving you access to guided workouts, progress tracking, and virtual rides. Whether you're just starting out or looking to add variety to your cardio routine, the app keeps you motivated and engaged. The intuitive display on the bike also tracks your time, speed, distance, and calories burned so you can monitor your progress in real time and stay committed to your goals. Backhand index pointing right. Take control of your fitness journey today. Click the link in the video description to order your Spirax exercise bike and enjoy high-quality home workouts that fit your lifestyle and goals. The Cursor Fitness Exercise Bike is a high-quality indoor cycling bike designed to bring the gym experience right into your home. Built for comfort, durability, and performance, this stationary bike is perfect for users of all fitness levels who want to stay active without the need for expensive gym memberships. Its solid construction ensures a stable and smooth ride, allowing you to focus entirely on your workout. Whether you're aiming to lose weight, increase endurance, or simply stay in shape, this bike delivers consistent results with every session. One of the key highlights of the Cursor Fitness bike is its extra comfort seat, thoughtfully designed to support longer workouts without discomfort. The seat is not only well padded but also fully adjustable to help you find the perfect riding position for your height and body type. This ensures better posture, reduced joint strain, and an overall more enjoyable ride. The bike also features a user-friendly resistance system, allowing you to easily adjust the intensity of your workouts to match your fitness level and progress over time. Ideal for home use, the Cursor Fitness bike operates quietly, thanks to its smooth belt-driven system, making it perfect for use at any time of day without disturbing others. The built-in display helps you track important workout metrics such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned, keeping you informed and motivated throughout your session. Its compact design makes it easy to fit into small spaces, so you can turn any corner of your home into a personal fitness zone. Backhand index pointing right. Ready to upgrade your home workouts? Click the link in the video description to get your Cursor Fitness exercise bike today and enjoy a more comfortable, effective, and convenient way to stay fit from the comfort of your own home.